Nikenda mambo yothe wa mundu mucoroke na mukoroke ati bakienda kuona ndio ngoria kero ciotu imuringe Hamad from Texas umubuko ya shati.
People here have been consuming dangerous food, and this is why the prevalence of diseases, gastrointestinal, is very high. This aflatoxin could be, and we request Tim and his team to delve deeper into research so that we can establish the linkage between the prevalence of aflatoxin and other fumonicisms within this area and the high rate of cancer and other gastrointestinal diseases.
We will conduct a survey to determine the effect of aflatoxin testing on public health of the people of Meru County. I believe this study will help us to unravel the mystery of high prevalence of gastrointestinal diseases in our county. Last week, in our cabinet meeting, we deliberated on and approved the food safety policy, which was developed in partnership with Texas A&M.